How to Draw a Bird by Emma. You should learn how to draw a fun and cute bird. It is fun to draw and you can teach your other friends too. You will need a sharpened pencil, a big or medium piece of paper, markers, crayons, colored pencils, etc., a table or workspace, 2 hands, and an eraser. Instructions. 1. Get your pencil, your big, medium-sized paper, your eraser, and set your eraser on the side of your table or desk. 2. Draw a small circle near the left center of your paper. Make sure you draw light. Remember to draw lightly. Remember to draw lightly. Remember the rhyme. Draw light until you get it right. 3. Carefully draw an oval that connects to the circle. That will be the body. Then draw a small oval by the left bottom corner. 4. Add a small dot on your circle near the left center. That is an eye. Be careful to make sure it is on the left center of the paper. 5. Add a small or big wing on the bigger oval. It is shaped like a bunch of half ovals squished together. When you're done, color your bird. 6. Write a signature of your name and your bird is drawn. In conclusion, I hope you teach your other friends how to draw a bird. Also, make sure you are careful when you follow the instructions.